Hello everyone. You are on P8, so you should have a P8 notes in front of you. This one here is about models and applications, so basically story problems. And it's not as long as last time, so hopefully we'll do better. I wish I could have got that one shorter. All right, here we go. Okay, P8. There's like 4 steps here, which you can use. And we're going to do them, and we're going to write them down as we go. So the first step is the medium starting salary is I need to know what do I know. So when I'm in here, I'm going to say, hey, what do I know? What don't I understand? And how can I keep going? So the median starting salary of a computer science major exceeds that of an education major by 21. So I'm going to let computer science be CS. And education, I'm going to let that actually be a T for teacher. Computer science, I'm just going to be a C. So I know my computer science exceeds, so that means more than, which means addition. So I know this is addition. Exceeds that, so I'm going to take a teacher's salary, I add 21,000 to it, I get the computer science. Okay, you understand sentence 1. Sentence 2, the median starting salary of an economics major, so let's let him be E, exceeds, I know I'm adding, of an education major again by 14. So I know an economics major, if I take a teacher's salary and I add 14,000 to it, that's how much he makes. Combined, so that means all 3 of them, their median starting salaries are 140,000. So that means if I take the computer science major, the economics major, and the teacher, I should get 140,000. Okay. Now, it says I want to find the salaries of everybody. So I don't know all the salaries. That's what I got to find. All right. So I know that the C, computer science plus education plus the teacher equals 140. Well, I know that the computer science is T plus 21, so let's put that in there. So I'm just going to substitute that out. I know the economics guy is T plus 14, so let's substitute him out. And the teacher is just the teacher. Now let's solve this. So I got 3 T's plus 35 has to equal 140. Oh, I can solve for T pretty easy here now. So 3T, subtract your 35, it's 105. So divide by 3, get your calculator out here. That is equal to, what is that? Let's divide by 3 here, and I'm going to get $35,000. So I know a teacher is going to start out at $35,000. All right, but I asked for all 3. So in order to find the computer science, I have to take the 35 plus 21. So I have to take 35 plus 21. So the computer science guy is going to make $56,000. Then I know the economics guy is going to be the 35,000 plus 14 because he's 14,000 more. So I know the econ guy is going to make $49,000. Well, that wasn't so bad. I think we understood everything okay there. All right, you try the next one on your own. Okay, you should have started with the no chart. You said, hey, I got 2 plans. My plans are A and my plans are B. Okay, I know the monthly fee for A. So I know A, I have a monthly fee, and that's $15. Then I know the text is going to cost me 8 cents. All right, let's look at B. B has a monthly fee of $3 and it charges 12 cents per text. How many text messages will the cost for the 2 plans be the same? This is supposed to be for 1 month. All right, so if this is for 1 month, I need to know how many texts are. So text is what I don't know. So I don't know text. I'm going to let that be T. So I know that A is equal to 15 plus 8 cents per every text. And I want to know when that's equal to B, which is $3 plus 12 cents for every text. Now we just solve. Subtract your 3, Subtract your 0.08. So 15 minus 3 is 12. This canceled here, this canceled here. It's equal to 0.04t. So t is equal to 300. So when they have 300 texts, those two cost the exact same amount. Now you're thinking, what if I'm over or under 300? Which one should I buy? Okay, try this one on your own. Make sure you pause it. All right, what do I know? I know I have a sale with 30% off. I know I'm going to pay with that sale $840. I don't know the original cost. And let that equal C. Well, in my mind, when I pay, I have 30% off. That means I am paying 70% of that original cost. So if I take 70% of C, that's going to equal my sale cost. Well, that's nice. All I have to do is divide by 0.7. So the cost in my computer is, type in your calculator, $1,142.86 is the original cost. Did you do okay with that one? It's kind of a little tricky unless you think about the 70%. All right, length of a rectangular basketball court. If you draw a picture, that is the same as a know, don't know chart. So when I go here, okay, the length is 44 feet more than the width. So I know I'm off the width. So that means the length is equal to 44 plus the width. All right, we can do that. Okay, what else did they give us? The perimeter, so that's the distance around, is the whole perimeter is 288. So if I add all these up, that has to equal 288. Well, if I add them up, I know I have 4 W's plus the 44 plus the 44. 88 has to equal 288. Well, that means 4W has to equal 200. So W is equal 50. So if my width is 50, well, it wants to know both of this. So the length, I have to put the 50 in up here. So 50 plus 44 means my length is equal to 94. So it's 50 foot by 94 feet, or 94 by 50 feet. These are kind of fun, aren't they? All right, it's your homework time. I told you it was a lot less than last time. Have a great time and do well.